welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be making vegan puff puff. Yes, you heard me right. So stay back as I walk you through. My name is Lydia. We are going to start by activating the yeast. In a warm water, add the yeast and sugar. Mix, cover it with plastic bag and keep in a warm place for 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to double check all your ingredients after measuring to make sure that you have everything complete. Why this recipe is perfect for a vegan is because it contains no animal products. Instead of regular milk, I use soy milk. I added chia seeds for extra protein and omega-3. While we are waiting for the yeast to rise, we are going to mix the dried ingredients. Remember to sift your flour. Now the yeast is ready. We're going to do the proper mixing. Make your way with the flour and add the yeast. Mix until it starts getting dry. You can add your milk and then add water last. So how I portion the total liquid for this recipe? The total liquid is 2.5 cups of warm water. So out of the 2.5 cups of water, I used 1 cup to prepare the yeast, and then I replaced the second cup with soy milk, and then the remaining half cup I added at last. Once everything is well combined, cover it with a plastic cover and a towel and keep it where it's a little bit warmer, and then leave it for 1 hour to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. And this is the result after almost 2 hours. We're going to press it down and remove all the gas and air inside it before we start frying. Start frying once the oil is hot. Usually I like to start with low heat, and then I also like to flip them around. Once I'm throwing in the balls, I like to turn it and continue to turn it so it doesn't burn one side and one side is not, like we want it to cook evenly, right? So I do that. And this is my one of my tips. I started with low heat, and once the puff puff starts browning, you can increase the heat to medium, between medium and high heat. Continue to flip until it's brown, and then I like to use paper towel to reduce the amount of oil. It's deep frying, and anytime you do a deep frying, definitely you come out with enough oil. So to reduce the oil, go ahead and use your paper towel and reduce the amount of oil. So this recipe I know you will like because it's healthy. It has enough protein from the soy milk and from the chia seeds, and also all other vitamins and nutrients from the soy milk. I like to make that a lot because my kids love to eat puff puff, and I want to make it healthy for them, right? And even me, puff puff is always sweet. So I look for a way to make it healthy so they can have it and enjoy it. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Before you leave, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, enjoy your day and stay safe. Bye.